Introducing the kblox paper circuit kit, a fun and engaging way to explore basic electronics by combining creativity with simple components all on paper. Using this kit, you can build interactive projects like glowing greeting cards, light up storyboards, and more. So let's unbox and discover all the amazing components inside. First up, we have the user manual. This guide provides step-by-step instructions along with scientific explanations for each project, making learning fun and engaging. Next, let's take a look at the various paper circuit templates included in the kit. We have designs for a simple circuit, series circuit, parallel circuit, and many more exciting projects. These templates help you understand the basics of electricity and circuit design. Now, let's take a look at what else is inside the kit. Inside the first resource box, we have different colored LEDs to brighten up your projects, buzzers for sound-based circuits, and paper clips to help with connections. In the second resource box, we have even more cool components. A mini DC motor with a fan to create motion-based projects, coin cell batteries to power up the circuits. And of course, we have a roll of copper tape, an essential component for making electrical connections on paper. We also have sellotape and scissors to secure and complete our circuits. Now let's design and build a flashing pull-a-slide circuit step by step. Attach the copper tape along the marked paths on the template. Place the LED on the designated spots and secure it with transparent tape. Attach the coin cell battery, making sure the positive and negative sides are correctly aligned. Secure the connection with tape and press down on the battery. There you have it. Your pull-a-slide circuit is complete. Great work! Just like this, you can create many more exciting projects using the kblox paper circuit kit. Try building. Maybe a buzzer wire game to test your steady hand, a quick tap game for fun challenges, a traffic light simulation to understand real-world applications.